Alton Towers is the biggest theme park in the UK. We have a multitude of rides ranging from the small flat rides, which are relatively simple to maintain, right through to the roller coasters, which have a lot of moving components and are more complex from a maintenance point of view. And we have to make sure that we maintain them on a regular basis every single day so that they can perform every single day reliably and safely. My name's John McNerney. I'm the Technical Services Director here at Alton Towers Resort. We look after all the rides, all the hotels, all the infrastructure and all the assets right across the resort. To help us do that, we have a team of over 170 full-time technical staff, and we deliver the services every single day for each and every one of our guests. Our current method of maintenance is a planned preventative maintenance methods. This requires our staff to go to check all of our assets on a daily basis, daily, weeklies and monthly basis. What we would like to do is to have some additional data to help inform our decisions about the point at which we carry out major maintenance by using these sensors. So these sensors will sit on the motors, such as that, and they will collect data every single day whilst that asset is in use, and it will allow us to look at trends over time to make an informed decision about when we take an asset out of use and replace it or refurbish it or do some major intervention on a maintenance platform. So working in conjunction with L-Watch with their sensors and also Malone Group, we've been collecting data on a number of our different types of assets on the rides and some facilities assets to collect the data, analyse the data and look at what it would mean to us to change our maintenance strategy to better improve the reliability of those assets and lower the overall cost through proper management and correct interventions at the time of degradation of the motors or pumps, which are being measured by the sensors continuously. And the advantage of the sensor as it keeps transmitting to the local networks is you can monitor the data in real time on your phone all the time, and you can further analyse it in software offline at your leisure, so you can start looking at trends over time to go and inform your maintenance decisions on each of the motors that you're taking the data from. So we look forward to our continued partnership working with both L-Watch and Malone Group to improve the performance as we transition from the planned preventive maintenance schedule to our predictive maintenance schedule and collecting many more years of data to improve all of our services overall.